We will decrease rows on both sides of the panel just to show you how to do it. Usually we decrease row only on one side. This is our last stitch. You knit it all the way, yarn goes over the or under the pin, remove yarn, use hook like this, pick up the yarn on the last hook and move it on a hook next to it. Hold the yarn in left hand, put it under the pin and in a threader. Make sure the yarn is all the way down. And on other side, same thing. Knit all the way. Yarn goes under the pin. Remove yarn. And now remove the yarn from last hook and put it on a hook next to it. Push the yarn all the way down so it gets knitted correctly. And move the yarn behind the pin, under and behind the pin, and then threader. And again. Watch the position of the hooks, last two hooks. Okay, one more time, remove the yarn and put it on a hook before. And this is from different angle. Push the last stitch all the way down. Once yarn goes over the pin, you remove it, means it was knitted. Remove the yarn from the last hook and put it on a hook next to it. Push it all the way down, put it behind the pin or under the pin and knit it. You can really see it from this angle, with this side of the knit, so let's try one more angle. So this is our last hook. Remove the yarn and put it on a yarn next to it. Yarn needs to go under the pin and in a tensioner. It seems like it's taken a long time, but it doesn't, because we have a really short panel. If we have 45 stitches, it doesn't seem like it takes so long, and I'm also doing it slowly so you can see it. But there is no need to be in a hurry. You don't want to make any mistake. Okay, and the last angle. See there. Watch the position of the needles. Remove this last stitch and put it on a stitch next to it, and put the yarn in a feeder. I didn't mean to make such a small piece, but as you can see, you can make a small panel, or would you still call it panel, as 2 needles or 1. I just didn't want to make 45 needle panels, so you don't need to wait for it would take much longer. So now I have one needle, which I never tried before, and I don't think I need it. Usually I end up with 2 needles or 2 hooks, but you can do it also this way. Okay, remove it. And now we have a nice triangle. It's not perfect because I didn't decrease every row, but maybe every second row. Oh, it's kind of cool, don't you think so? They usually have a nice edge, so I don't do anything about it, no single crochet or anything. For this kind of pattern, I think it looks fine like it is.